Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to create modes on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option modes and routines. So here you can see some modes: sleep, theater, driving, exercise, relax, like that. So from here you can select any mode. Tap on this one. Okay, and here we can customize this mode. So if you want to turn on in manually, you can turn on this mode tapping by turn on. So if you want to turn on it automatically, tap on this one. So here we have to adjust the timing. We need to schedule the time, start and the end time of the sleep mode. Okay. So if you want to change the appearance, here you can change the appearance at that mode whenever it is enabled. Simply here I am going to turn on this one. Now the sleep mode is enabled. So simply in this way we can create the mode on this device. Here you can see other actions. Tap on this one. So whenever you enable the sleep mode, if you want to enable at that time grayscale, then you can select this one. Tap on done. Now this is enabled. Now you can see the grayscale is enabled on the sleep mode. If you want to disable the grayscale, simply turn off the sleep mode. Now you can see the grayscale is also disabled. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable or create the mode on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for